Hi, my name is Sean. Today, we're making waffles. First, you're going to need to crack 12 eggs. Isn't that a lot? We're making a double recipe. You can stir it if you want to with one of these kind of mixers. It can be any kind of mixer, but this is the kind I have. Now we're going to dump the plate of cream cheese in. Now we're making a double recipe. Remember that. Dump coconut oil in. It's kind of out of balance. Now dump almond flour. Now dump more almond flour. Now dump psyllium husks. Now dump vanilla. Now add salt. Now add baking powder. Now we stir again. It's kind of hard making a double recipe because this bowl is really full and stubborn. But don't say stupid to the bowl, otherwise that will make him throw the soup in your face. That's a joke. Now dump your batter into the waffle maker. Gently shut the lid. Not hard, but this kind of waffle maker. This waffle. Now let them cook 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Of course, just 5 minutes. The waffle is done, and I put jelly and whipped cream on it. We didn't do jelly yet. We're going to do it soon. Naturally, you don't need to do it jelly. Do you know why? Because you can buy sugar-free jelly. Just loose, almost loose. So that's why I don't have a smiley face. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it.